In this lecture, we are going to study or we are going to discuss what is the sign convention that we are going to use while discussing or while analyzing the circuit. First of all, we will discuss what is the polarity of a voltage source. The polarity of a voltage source is fixed and it is independent of the direction of current. The positive terminal, the positive terminal is at a higher potential and negative terminal is at a lower potential. Suppose we are considering this voltage source. So in this, if we are moving from A to B, from A to B, means if we are moving from higher potential to lower potential, there is a voltage drop, there is a fall. Whereas if we are moving from B to A, there is a rise. A voltage rise indicates a positive voltage. So if we are moving from B to A, there is a rise, and this rise is represented as the magnitude of the voltage source, that is Vs. Whereas if we are moving from A to B, there is a fall, and this fall is indicated by minus Vs. While marking the polarity of a resistor, we should keep in mind that current flows from a point of higher potential to a point of lower potential. So if in this resistance, if the current is flowing from point A to point B, we can say that this point is at higher potential and this point is at lower potential. So when we move from A to B, that is along the direction of current, so if we are moving in this direction, obviously we can see that we are moving from a higher potential point to a lower potential point. So we can say that there is a drop, and this drop is equal to I into R, and we can represent it as minus IR. Whereas if we are moving opposite to the direction of current, if this is the direction of movement, then we are moving from a lower potential point to a higher potential point. So there is a rise, and this rise is equal to I into R. This is taken as positive because it is a rise, and this should be taken as negative because it is a fall.